Mookie, we got a mousey in the housey, huh? We got a little mousey in the housey. What are we gonna do, Mookie? Mookie, you come to me on the day of my daughter's wedding. I know, Mookie. You don't like the mousey in the housey. Sometimes even mousey's gotta get whacked, Mookie.
Buenos tardes, amigos. This episode at Chappie's Tiki Bar, I'm going to do my very first unboxing. I'm going to unbox a non-kill mousetrap. Coming right up.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do my very first unboxing. But first up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Ward 8, which is named after a voting district in Boston that was notoriously corrupt. All right, I got a glass full of ice. We're going to go a half ounce of lemon juice. And then we'll do about a quarter ounce of simple syrup. We're going to do an ounce and a half of rye whiskey. I got some good Canadian rye whiskey, some Canadian Club. So that's about 1 1/2 ounce of rye whiskey. And then we're going to do the juice from 3 oranges. So we're going to have fresh orange juice in our Ward 8. Citrus juicer is probably more for limes, so it's a little small, so I'm getting OJ everywhere. But tiki is a messy business. All right, I got quite a bit of juice out of there. And I got a nice garnish. And that is a Ward 8. So coming up, like I said, I'm going to do my very first unboxing. As you may have gathered from the intro, we got a little mousey in the housey. I tried to speak with Mousey. I said, Mousey, look, if you want to crash here, that's fine. I just can't see you. I don't want to see you or hear you, and we can go about our lives and not even get in each other's way. But unfortunately, Mousey's a lot like me. Mousey likes to come out at night and entertain. And I'm pretty sure like the mouse droppings are bad for chihuahuas. So Mousey's got to go. As you can see, I've kind of gotten attached to the little guy. I've named him Mousey. So I really don't want to kill a furry, cute little creature. So I purchased through Amazon a no-kill mouse trap. So coming up, I'm going to unbox it. I'll try to put it together, and we can see if we can lure Mousey out of my living area. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I'm very excited. This is my very first unboxing. I got my non-kill mouse trap in the mail today. Now, it came 10 days later than as advertised. I got it through Amazon. Now, Amazon blamed Canada Post for the late delivery, but who's to say? So here it is. It says reusable, non-poisonous, and no hurt fingers. However, there might be hurt feelings if I ask Mousey to leave my housey. So it's a 2-pack. There's 2 of them. We'll open her up and see what we got. All right, there. It looks like just 2 cylinders.
All right, so you can see the little door. It's spring loaded, so you just push that down. And then when the mouse walks on the platform, the door is going to slam shut behind him and no more Mousey.
So I'm going to try. I got peanut butter and I got cheese. I'm told mice like peanut butter just as much as cheese. So we'll put that. We'll get it set up. I'll put one by my tiki bar, and I'll set one up in the kitchen, and we'll see if we can get Mousey out of my housey. All right, Mr. Mousey. They say a house guest is a lot like a piece of fish. If it stays too long, it begins to stink. So we're gonna let you go. I think we're just gonna go to the park across the street and let you roam free. I'm sorry for any inconvenience. All right, Mr. Mousey. It's been emotional. Oh. I know. Here. Okay. Yeah! Go, Mousey, go! Thanks for watching another edition at Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's up, Mookie? Mookie says make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's up, Mookie? Mookie also says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.